crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today I'm playing around with some extra pieces I had from the Altenew Butterfly Garden Kit. Let's get started. Today I'm playing with the Butterfly Garden Kit, and this has a stamp set, an embossing folder, a layered stencil, and this die that cuts out all of the stenciled images. And I had made, I'll show you. I had made, this is the inside and this is the card that I'd made. And I had butterflies left over, so I want to use this again and see what else I can do with this. This time I'm going to use the embossing folder. And what I'm trying to do is I want to have this Miss You over here in the blank spot on the embossing folder. So I'm gonna run this through and then I will stamp on that, and I will be right back. Alright, so what I've done off camera is I embossed this panel, I stamped the Miss You on it, and I used the Ride the Wave, and that matched the inks that I used when I did the butterflies. So I picked out a couple here, and we can glue these on. I'm almost wondering if we should use foam tape, but we can see if these will hold. Let those set up. And then I was looking at the Enchanted Garden enamel dots, and I think that this kind of cobalty color might match. I kind of like this dark one. Let's see. Alright, so anyway, our card is done, apparently. I will link everything I used today in the description box, and I do have affiliate links, but basically once you make, I mean there's so many butterflies, I'm not even done yet with all of these butterflies. Once you do the stenciling, which takes a little bit of time, but then you have a ton of products to work with, so that's awesome. I can probably make a few more cards out of these. So anyway, if you liked the project today, I would love to have you as a subscriber if you could hit that button. Join me over on Facebook. I post videos, cards, and any crafty sales I come across. So this is our beautiful card for the day. Just a sweet Miss You card. Anyway, so Like, subscribe, and all that jazz. And until next time, take care. Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.